On top of 30 million tons in 2018, the company plans to expand iron ore output over the next years. To achieve its goals, CSN Mineração constantly invests in new projects. One of them is the Itabirito plant, the project which will enable 10 million tons per year of pellet feed production, comprising an estimated investment of $500 million. The high-quality ore, with 67.5% of average iron content, is a reference in the international market. With its conclusion estimated for 2022, the plant will utilize an area of 862,000 square meters, equivalent to 86 soccer fields. Better utilization of natural resources is a key aspect of this project, as material treated as waste becomes a high-value product. The plant's feed will come from the mine. The run-of-mine blocks, with maximum dimensions of 1 meter, will be loaded and transported on off-road trucks to reach the primary crushing. In this first step of the process, the material will be fragmented in particles less than 200 millimeters. Afterwards, this material will be transported to feed the primary crushing lung pile with 12,600 cubic meters capacity and 7 hours of useful autonomy. The screening, secondary and tertiary crushing are also part of the process. After such steps, the crushed ROM of iron is directed to the ball mills, which will reduce the sizing from 14 millimeter material to 0.15 millimeters. This entire process is done with large equipments with dimensions of 5.5 meters in diameter and 8.5 meters in length. The nominal capacity is also impressive. Altogether, 2,625 tons per hour are processed. Following the mineral separation, there is the concentration process. This step is composed by material size separation, the coarse ore, and cleaning flotations performed by 8 flotation columns. The concentrated material at the cleaning process will be transported to the thickener. Thereafter, the water recovered from the concentrate thickener will be transported to the tank and reutilized in the process. A sustainable aspect of this project. All the tailing generated will be moved to the thickener and transported to the filtering plant through a 4-kilometer pipeline, where installed filters will remove the water and, thereafter, dry stacked. It is another sustainable aspect of the project, as it eliminates tailing disposal into dams. The product generated by the thickener will be moved by gravity to the product filtering through a pipeline with approximately 7 kilometers of extension. At this process, 8 ceramic plate filters will be used. At the end of the filtering process, the 10 million tons per year of pellet feed production will be transported to the product yard. There, the product will be recovered utilizing a reclaimer to load the train before going to the Tecar bulk terminal at Itaguaí City in the Rio de Janeiro state. At last, departing from there, our iron ore reaches the 4 corners of the world.